What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use any video as ringtone on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open the phone app. Now click on this three dot more icon and then click on settings. Now in settings, click on call background and then choose a SIM card in which you want to set the video as ringtone, and then click on background. Now click on this add icon and then click on select from gallery. Now from the gallery, choose the video that you want to set as the video background. Now if you want to use this video sound as ringtone, then tap on this use video sound as ringtone button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, this video will be set as your ringtone. So after turning on this button, tap on set as call background and then the call background will be applied and your ringtone will be changed. So that's how you can use any video as ringtone on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.